With Content Hub, let's just start with Content Hub itself, because I think that is going to be the bulk of what's part of what's new in Sitecore 10 as well. It's really an entire new way to manage content for Sitecore. It's not unusual in the fact that it is a DAM, digital asset management. But I think that the combination of tools that come with Content Hub is very powerful, and definitely the user interface is quite fantastic. But Content Hub includes a DAM, it includes MRM, marketing resource management, and then product content management, and then this other element called CMP, or content marketing platform. And this was something last symposium that they were talking about, and I'm sitting there in a session watching Content Hub be released, and I'm thinking, content marketing platform isn't that Sitecore already? And I'm like, how do these two coexist? Sitecore owns both. How does this, and again, the Content Hub came from Style Labs, but now Sitecore owns it. How are they going to differentiate? And kind of the writing started to be showing up on the wall, or the writing was showing up on the wall, that this content marketing platform, a place where you can truly build out a page, or you could build out your text and your images and really have that available, is just another data source for Sitecore. So it's a nice way to be able to pull in preset content. So in a way, Sitecore just becomes, and your website become just another channel, and Content Hub is managing that content for another channel. So that's really the way that this CMP element of Content Hub plays into Sitecore. And I think what we're seeing with Sitecore 10 more than ever is just a refinement of that integration, where the digital asset management component could be a complement or a replacement to Sitecore's media library for assets. We now retain that, but we're starting to see probably a little deeper integration. That's what it's feeling like. I still think that there's a connection that needs to be made, but we're moving forward in that phase where we're moving that content marketing platform, that CMP element of Content Hub, as more of a driving data source of content for Sitecore. And Sitecore will then be able to manage the components, the functionality, the layout, personalization, etc. But it really just becomes, Sitecore is another channel for your content built in Content Hub. There's also additional field types available I think it'll make it easier from a development standpoint. And one thing that excites me is the ability to import taxonomies between Content Hub and Sitecore. So all of those marketing taxonomies can now be something that we can pull over and keep synced up, if you will. So basically, you're seeing the deeper integration of the tool sets. I would also say, and this is my opinion, I feel like Sitecore is moving that user experience, that UI, I should say, and the experience of Content Hub to be that evolution of the interface that you're working on with Sitecore. If I had to guess, we're going to start to see Sitecore's UI start to look more and more like Content Hub over time. My speculation on that is mainly, if you look at the Style Labs co-founder, Tom DeRitter, is now the CTO at Sitecore. I feel like that's a little writing on the wall there. The guy that created Style Labs, aka now Content Hub, now Sitecore Content Hub, being the chief technical officer, I feel like we're going to start to see that vision that he started with eke its way into Sitecore, and it is a fantastic user interface. So that's the evolution. It's really about getting to know Content Hub as an application itself, but we're starting to see the two applications start to join more and more. So let's watch and see that happen as we go forward.